How to use someone's code on Temu. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. First of all, launch open the Temu app on your device. If you don't have this application, you can download it from Play Store or App Store. Now tap on the U button at the bottom of your screen. Make sure to sign into your account if you haven't done that already. Now you want to tap on coupons and offers option. Here you will find three tabs: unused, used, and expired. So if you have someone's code, you want to tap on the unused option. Now tap on the enter coupon code option over here. Then on this box, you want to simply enter that code. After that, you want to tap on the apply option. If the code is valid, it will be successfully applied over here and you can use that code during checkout. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.